Consultancy is one of the primary methods by which we can transfer knowledge to public, private and third sector organisations, contributing to society and to the wider economy. By consultancy, we're referring to the provision of expert opinion, advice on technical issues, or problem solving for these organisations. All staff can provide consultancy services simply by calling upon their existing knowledge or experience in any particular field.
I've been involved in a couple of consultancy projects. The first one, we worked with the Swedish Nuclear Energy Authority, and we were asked to review a major report they'd written on the future of a proposed nuclear waste burial site. So they'd identified a site which was in southern Sweden, and they had produced a consultant's report which covered all the eventualities of things that might happen in the future to that site. And they wanted an expert review of that document, so I was asked to be the expert reviewer.
One particular project I was part of as an academic consultant was the enhancement of umami flavours within mushrooms and using analytical methods to see whether or not those can be enhanced and measured. The pilot piece of work was really important in an Innovate UK proposal that we submitted with the company. So we forged a really good relationship, we collated that data, and that looked really good for the applications, and that'll be a great piece of work for the university, and that link hopefully will continue. And off the back of the pilot piece of work that I helped consult on, several community projects were created, so involving the community in mushroom growing. And also we've got commercial links as well, so we've created some possible commercial avenues for these products with the companies.
So the project I've been working on, it's with a company called Clippery, and they're growing functional ingredients in Wales, one of which is nettles, which they're growing in a vertically farmed system. The project, they were particularly interested in encapsulating the bioactives within nettles and prolonging shelf life. So we were working with them on different drying techniques and eventually going on to create a spray-dried soluble powder which has prolonged shelf life. It's concentrated the bioactives.
RBI have been great. They've helped me, I would say, probably in three major ways. First of all, they helped me decide on a fee level we should charge. The second thing they've helped me with is the contracts, because it really helps to have somebody who can give you that legal advice on what type of contract to use for consultancy. And then the third thing that RBI have helped me with is actually doing the invoicing for the work that we've done.
They were really important because it provided us confidence that everything was sorted out, the finances, the legalities, the NDAs, and it allowed us to concentrate on forging that relationship with the company.
When undertaking consultancy projects through the university, the team will deal with the administrative, contractual and financial arrangements, leaving you to concentrate on the project itself. You can use this opportunity to engage with new or existing partners and generate income, whilst at the same time enriching your experience and contributing to teaching and research. All of the information that you should need to begin the process can be found on the consultancy services web pages, and the team will always be on hand to help.